Chapter 7. Heat.
What is heat? Heat is the form of energy. We get heat from sun and fire. We feel warm when we are close to a source of heat. When we are away from a source of light, we do not feel warm. We sit under tree to protect ourselves from heat. Uses of heat. Heat can do work and make the other things do work. Burning coal in a steam engine helped the engine to move. We wear woolen clothes to keep us warm. Heat is produced when we rub our hands together. Animals in winter. Animals have hair or fur on their bodies to keep them warm. A polar bear lives in extremely cold climate. They have thick skin and lots of fat under their skin to keep warm in cold weather. Insulator and conductor. There are some solids through which heat cannot pass. These are called poor conductor or insulators. Heat can pass through some solids such as metals. Good conductors are the metals through which heat can pass easily.